Now I'd like to introduce Tashina Sumner. She's one of our Climb Club members.
Hi guys. So my name is Tashina and I work in the orthopedics department. I joined Climb Club about 2 months ago because I felt that it would be a good way to stay healthy and exercise, at least during my lunchtime. Again, I'm a big advocate on staying healthy and staying fit, and why not, because of Climb America, bring it to the workplace. So besides sitting on my desk or my chair and just on the computer, I just figured I'd get up, and just walk. Just take few steps and just walk. So it's been, and I just wanted everyone to join me in the same path that I'm taking. It's, you get a burst of energy. You feel so good, and you're not sitting. I know half of us, for myself, I'm sitting on the computer all day long. Why not take a few minutes out of your time, get up, and just go? So I'm here to encourage everyone to get up and please join me. When I will be there with my sneakers on and just rooting, and please join me.